explore the garden and discover some amazing things. So come on, let's explore the objects in the garden. Part 2. Bird bath. Bird bath. A bird bath gives birds a place to drink and cool off. Garden hose. Garden hose. A garden hose sprays water to keep the garden fresh. Shovel or spade. Shovel or spade. A shovel is used to dig soil and plant seeds. Rake. Rake. A rake helps keep the garden clean. Pruner. Pruner. A pruner is a tool that helps cut small branches and twigs on plants. Trowel. Trowel. A trowel is a small hand tool used for digging holes and planting seeds. Hoe. Hoe. A hoe is a tool used to loosen soil and remove weeds from the garden. Gloves. Gloves. Garden gloves are special gloves that protect your hands while gardening. Wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow. A wheelbarrow carries soil and heavy things in the garden. Lawnmower. Lawnmower. A lawnmower is a machine that cuts grass to keep the lawn neat. Garden swing. Garden swing. A garden swing is a cozy seat that gently moves back and forth, perfect for relaxing and enjoying nature. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know the names of so many different objects that you get to see in the garden. And for more such fun videos, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.